All right. Hi, everybody. This is going to be our daily agenda for Thursday, February 25th. Sorry if it says 23rd there. I'll fix that in a second. Just a reminder, let's make sure to have those chapter responses 1 through 8 done for you guys. So we are still on The Outsiders. We're going to be reading through it, reading chapter 9 today, free write for chapter 8, and then make sure to have your response pages completed at least until chapter 8 for you guys. Moving on to our second slide. So our free write for today is based on chapter 8. Cherry tells Pony, "You're a nice kid, Pony boy. Do you realize how scarce nice kids are nowadays? Do you think nice kids are scarce nowadays? Explain why or why not. What does it mean to be a nice kid? Use examples." And then after our free write and discussion, we have our discussion every day. We are moving on to chapter 9 or page 112. You guys are a little bit further because I put you guys up a little bit ahead yesterday, so we will be picking up where we left off yesterday. Alright, so we are at the Outsiders response pages. These are the response pages you guys should be up to. You should be up to chapter 7 and 8 and 9. 9 is a little bit long, but I know you guys can do it. And then for our class discussion, which is our usual class discussion, you guys honestly have some of the best discussions of all my classes. But we're going to be talking about how in chapter 9, both rival gangs get into a fight. How is Pony Boy's fighting style similar and different to the Greasers? We're going to actually head over to Mentimeter at www.mentimeter.com with that code. You guys are actually going to be able to help me kind of answer that. We're going to be able to see it in a fun word graphic. Johnny's, and then our second question for that Mentimeter will also be Johnny's last words to Pony Boy in the chapter are, "Stay gold, Pony Boy, stay gold." From this, what can we predict about what will happen to Pony Boy in the novel, or what can we predict will happen in the novel? What are some big themes that we predict will happen? Well, so we'll have some time to get through that. As always, if you guys have questions or need anything, I'm here, Miss Arroyo's here, Miss Reyes is here, and I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.